Hi, I'm Simon with AppliancePartsPros.com. Today we're going to show you how to repair your appliance. Are you ready? Remember, anytime you work on your appliance, make sure it's unplugged or the circuit breakers are off so there is no chance of electrocution. In this video, we'll show you how to replace the ice bucket and the Auger assembly in a Samsung refrigerator. It's going to be a very easy repair. Should only take a couple of minutes to show you how to do it. When you open up the package, you're going to get a new ice bucket and Auger assembly. The ice bucket and Auger assembly is used for storing and dispensing ice cubes. It easily slides in and out. The main reason for replacing the ice bucket and Auger assembly is if it's broken and stops dispensing ice. Let's open the freezer door. Slightly lift up on the ice bucket and pull it out. This is an old ice bucket and Auger assembly next to the new one. If you don't have this part, you can get it from AppliancePartsPros.com. Before sliding in the new ice bucket and Auger assembly, we need to make sure it's going to go in properly. So we need to make sure that the position of the Auger wings here on the side are engaging with the coupler of the Auger motor at the back. So right now it's almost the same angle, so we need to turn the Auger so it would be approximately 90 degrees compared to the coupler. And now we can insert the ice bucket. And now we can close the freezer door. Plug the fridge back in and make sure it's cooling. Thank you for being a part of another successful repair brought to you by AppliancePartsPros.com. For any of your future appliance repair projects, please check out our other repair videos available on our site, on Facebook, and on YouTube.